Ever tried to squeeze a giant elephant into a tiny shoebox? That's what it feels like when you try to send a big video file through email. Frustrating, right? Emails can typically only handle small video files around 10 to 25 megabytes. But don't worry, there are simple solutions. So, how do you send a larger video? Option 1. Compress it. Think of it as squeezing a sponge, reduce the size without losing too much quality. There are plenty of free tools online to help you do this. Option 2. Use cloud storage. It's like renting a digital locker for your video. You store it there and share the link with your friends. Services like Google Drive and Dropbox are perfect for this. Option 3. Use a video sharing platform. It's like putting up a billboard for your video, everyone can see it. Just upload your video to YouTube or Vimeo and share the link. Sending videos to your newsletter subscribers. Embed the video or share a link from a video hosting platform. This can significantly boost engagement, increasing click rates and making your content more memorable. Remember, sending videos through email isn't just about sharing content, it's about creating memorable experiences that resonate with your audience and drive meaningful connections. So, next time you need to send a large video, remember these tips. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.